Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Today's recipe is a simple chutney recipe made mainly with onions and tomatoes. In a pan, heat some oil at medium heat. Add 2 green chilies, 4 chopped medium-sized onions, add 1 teaspoon salt and mix well. Close the lid and allow it to cook for some time till the onions turn golden brown. Add 3 chopped medium-sized tomatoes, add some salt, and with the lid closed, let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in between if needed to prevent burning. Add 1 cup of grated coconut and mix them well. Allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in between if needed. Remove the pan from the stove and allow it to cool down. Transfer the contents to a grinder and grind into a fine paste. For the tempering, in a pan, heat some oil, add few curry leaves, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urid dhal, 2 dried red chilies, a pinch of asafoetida powder, pour the contents into the freshly ground paste. Simple and delicious onion tomato chutney is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.